Hi, welcome to another tutorial on OpenOffice Calc. Now I would like to show you how you can take this data right here and turn this information into charts and graphs. So all we need to do is reposition our cells so Calc will know what to do with them when we try to create a new chart. So all we need to do is first choose our profit, choose the whole column, including the header, and just drag it next to date because we would like to show profit per day. Now keep in mind that the left column will be your x-axis. The right column will be your y-axis. So let's first select our x-axis, then our y-axis, and click on Chart. Now we see that we're inside this editor mode where we can select the type of chart that we'd like. But let's keep it at column chart for now and just click Finish. Now if we try to move the chart, we're unable to because we are in the editor mode right now. If you see the buttons on the bottom, we see that all the icons changed. This is due to the fact that we are in the editor mode of the chart. Once we click outside the chart, we'll be back into our normal sheet. But if you do want to move it, just go to the rim here and drag it from the edge to wherever you'd like. And we see that we got the chart that we want each day and how much money we made that day. Even the legend understood that we want to show the profit. But let's say that we want to change the color. We don't want this blue, so let's just go to the chart itself, click on one of the columns, and right-click. Format Data Series. And under Area, you have many tabs here, but under Area, you can change the color of it. So let's change it to a nice green. Now this can be done with the chart wall itself. Simply right-click on the chart wall and Format Wall. Let's fill it in with a gradient of a nice gray gradient. This can be done for the outside chart as well. Just click on the outside of the wall, Format Chart Area, and choose your color. This can be done also for the legend, for the x-axis, and for the y-axis. Once you click outside your chart, it will pop back in, as you see, into your sheet. And now you got the chart that you wanted. You can position it, you can expand it, you can make it smaller, bigger, whatever you'd like, position it anywhere you'd like. And that's about it. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thanks. Bye.